This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Enforcement Directorate has conducted raids at LNCT Group Educational Institution and related locations in Bhopal after allegations of financial irregularities worth more than Rs 200 crore. Investigators are examining documents, bank records, property papers and digital evidence to understand how funds were transferred among different accounts, institutions and companies. The probe is being carried out jointly with the Economic Offences Wing. The investigation is not limited to Bhopal and includes several connected locations. Officials have not yet released detailed findings, but the case has raised serious concern about the handling of fees and scholarships fund. The Madhya Pradesh government has approved a major education development plan to upgrade 529 schools across the state over the next 3 years. Under the project, 315 middle schools will be converted into high schools while 214 high schools will be upgraded to higher secondary schools. The government has sanctioned Rs 635 crore for the initiative. In the 2026-27 financial year, 75 middle schools and 100 high schools will be upgraded. Similar upgrades are planned for the following 2 years. The decision is expected to improve educational facilities and provide students with better access to higher classes in their local areas. The Madhya Pradesh High Court on Tuesday heard a petition filed by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in a defamation case. During the hearing, the Bhopal MP-MLA court submitted its response, which was taken on record by the High Court. The court has now scheduled a hearing on interim relief for Wednesday. The decision will determine whether Rahul Gandhi received exemption from appearing before the trial court or must attend the proceeding personally. The case was filed by Kartikeya Singh Chauhan, who challenged certain remarks allegedly made by Congress leader. Members of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad staged a protest at Polytechnic Square in Bhopal demanding the removal of a liquor shop located near MLP Girls College. A large number of students participated, carrying banners and posters highlighting concern about student safety. Protesters raised slogans against the government and local administration, arguing that liquor outlets should not be operated near educational institutions. Posters display messages such as "No liquor shop near a temple of education." The demonstration focused on creating a safer environment for female students and urged authorities to relocate the shop at the earliest. The Madhya Pradesh unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party has announced its new state executive committee. State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal included 106 members in the committee and named 41 leaders as permanent invitees. No special invitees have been appointed so far. Notably, Bilkis Jahan is the only Muslim woman included in the executive body. The committee also featured prominent leaders including Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. The announcement is seen as important for the party's future organizational strategy. A BJP worker from Gwalior has drawn attention on social media after claiming that he received an electricity bill of Rs 31,000 for his house. The worker Pradeep Shrivastava expressed dissatisfaction with the power distribution company and criticized Energy Minister Pradyuman Singh Tomar. According to him, he had filed a complaint regarding the issue earlier, but no solution has been provided so far. The matter has become widely discussed online because the consumer belonged to the minister's own assembly constituency. Authorities have not yet issued a detailed response regarding the disputed bill. Several districts of Madhya Pradesh, including Dhar, Barwani, Khargone and Narmadapuram, received heavy rainfall on Tuesday, bringing temporary relief from dry weather conditions. The state has recorded 52% less rainfall than normal so far this June due to slow-moving monsoon. As a result, sowing of kharif crop has been affected in many areas. While the recent rainfall improved weather conditions and increased soil moisture, farmers say more rain is needed for large-scale agricultural activities. Weather experts expect monsoon activity to improve gradually, which could help farming operation and water availability across the state.